Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are seeing miracle conch collected from Indian Ocean. It is Panilingam Lord Ganesh conch, puja conch collected from Indian Ocean. See, here you can see totally image of Lord Ganesh, like a trunk, body, total image of Lord Ganesh here. And here inside you can see beautiful image of Pandilinga. You can see very clear image of Pandilinga inside. Unbelievable collection of puja conch from Indian Ocean with clear image of Lord Ganesh and Pandilinga. Unbelievable puja conch collection from Indian Ocean. By having this conch with you, you can feel extreme energy and blessings from Lord Shiva and Lord Ganesh. Here also you can see one like Shivalingam image. Unbelievable collection from Indian Ocean. Puja conch. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Unbelievable collection. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.